Oh, great. So you've been sitting there, nothing is happening. I've got to turn the thing on. So, I'm going to change these over. These 114 hubs, the other ones were 100, so they've still got the 100 CV on it. Hopefully I can just pull the CV part off. I can't see it, but the ABS isn't fitting in there. Yeah, as I said, I fucking didn't turn you on. So we're halfway through it. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Nice and easy. Half a job. Nice and easy. Right, and I'm just looking at the ones I've got on here, and this one's, and I've got the wrong ones. Damn it. Oh well, he's changing these over because these are exactly the same. Damn. Oh, come on. So these are the new ones, which you can see aren't going to fit because I put that in there. The ABS ring's nowhere near it. So I might as well just put these back on. What a fucking joke. Fucking joke. So unbelievable. Specifically asked the fucker that sold me these, so I need them to fit so the ABS works. Little fucking story. See how close the ABS is fucking to that. I wonder if I can get an ABS ring that'll fit on there. On that front one. Oh, you reckon I could push? I wonder if I can push that ring forward. I'll give it a go. I'll just push that ring forward and see if it works. I'll try it on this one here. Damn, I'll do that rag. I'm going to clean this up a bit. See if I can push the ring forward on it to try and pick up the ABS. Where to go? Hope you can see that. I'm going to try and knock that ring forward so we can pick up the ABS on it. Well, where's the other one? It's got a ring on, isn't it? Oops, what was that? Right, yeah, let's see if we can get that ring forward.